Let's make authentic Ghanaian palava sauce recipe, also known as Kontomire stew. This recipe was quick and inviting as well. Let's get into the video. Into a pot, I will go in with my palm oil. Then after that, I will also add my cured fish, that is my momone. So I'm going to fry this in the palm oil for some few minutes before going in with my onions. If today is your first time of seeing this channel, you are most welcome, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed. Okay, so at this point I will go in with my onions, and I'll also fry this in the oil for some few minutes before adding the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so now I've added my frozen blended garlic and ginger, and I went ahead to add my tomato mix, which consists of pepper, some onion, fresh tomatoes, and some bell pepper. So I will allow this to be on the fire for some more minutes. So after 15 minutes, checking on the stew, it is doing so well and the aroma is amazing. So I went ahead to go in with my cooked beef. You can add any protein of your choice and also stir this all together. So at this point, our stew is doing so well, and I went ahead to add my mackerel, add some seasoning and also some salt to the stew. And also I did not add any pepper because what I used for my tomato mix was enough. So I'm just going to stir this and let it cook well. So now I'll go in with my blended melon and I will cover it. So this is after 5 minutes. I'm just stirring it gently, and whilst doing this, I just want to appreciate my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always coming through for me, watching my videos, leaving a comment. I do appreciate it all. Thank you guys so much. Okay, so now I'll go in with my cooked cocoyam leaves. So I'll just stir until everything is well combined. Thank you so much for watching. If you are still with me up to this time, please don't forget to like this video and also share this video among your friends and family. So you can also follow me on Facebook and also watch my shorts on TikTok and Instagram. It is totally free. You don't have to pay any amount. Okay fam, so at this point our stew is almost done, and I went ahead to add some onions and also some habanero pepper. Stir this gently and I will let this be on the fire for some few minutes. Okay, so now just look at how yummy and delicious our stew is. You compare this with anything, with your rice, with your banku, with your yam. This sauce can be paired with almost anything. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video up to this time. So I went ahead to pair mine with some yam. See you guys in my next video, and peace be with you all. Bye.